The 2002 Ford E-Series van. Max utility and space for everything. The E-Series has it covered and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, front air conditioning, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, power brakes, center console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.